So this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. This time I have Tapo C310 Security Camera. So I'm going to talk a detail about this camera. This is very good quality security camera. Never have problem. I have been using for 2 years. I bought another this time for my garage. So this works very good. So here at the front part, take this plastic off. So you have two sensors here. So when it's at night, you can see that. Later I'll show you how it looks in the real action. Here you have another light at the bottom. This light is an indicator. If it's green, that means it would have internet. Red, it will not have connection. These two sensors you can see at the night properly. It's 3 megapixel camera you have here, but it looks really good and crispy and custom. More things to write in Tapo behind. You have 4 screws inside if you want to unassemble this camera. You should not do that, although. And with this you can control. You see, this goes down here. You can see here. With this you can tight. If I want to leave as this, tight this. You put on the wall whatever you want. You have 2 screws here. You have 3 screws here, and you can see here you can put internet cable directly if you want to direct internet. Wi-Fi works perfectly. And this is for the adapter. So here the charging adapter will be exactly, you can connect as this way and internet as this, or you don't need, you can connect and run with Wi-Fi. Adapter comes with a very long cable. In this you have a bundle of cable, so you don't need any external cable connect. You can connect with the power source directly. Okay, after that, what else in the package comes? And you can have this. If you are assemble outside in the rain or some places, it cover your cable so water will not go inside. Very good thinking. You have some screw comes all packaged together. You have to make hole with the driller and assemble this one. And this one is very important to marking the hole in the wall. This you need. So you put this sticker here. You have. So you know exactly what you have to drill, and after that you tight the screw. Very great. So I'm going to Tapo app, type here Tapo. So I already have 3. You can see here garden, and this door and living. Put here and this door. This camera is live now, so you see how clear you can see. Go to another. This is my garden. This is live now at the moment. This is my living room, working great. So picture quality, if I show you here, you can see very clear, very sharp. You can zoom and see more farther. And here you can see one button. I click this one. You have night mode, day mode. If I put night mode, it will be black and white. You see gray. So this is night mode. Even if you don't have any light, you can see everything. And I put day mode. When you have light, it will be more color. You can see, come back to the color. This camera works very good, and you don't have, all of them are connected with Wi-Fi. See how fast I can change them without lagging. All of them are connected with Wi-Fi. So works pretty good, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.